So, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It is the topic principle of inheritance and variation. What John Mendel has told about this principles of inheritance and variation about genetics. Let's have the topic today. Let's start with George Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel was born in 1822 and he lived up to 1884, who is also called father of genetics, was born in a poor peasant family of village Silesian of Henzedorf, Moravia. Nowadays it's Austria. जॉर्ज ग्रेगोर जॉन मेंडल जो था उसको जिसको हम फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स भी बोलते हैं, ये एक गरीब किसान घर में पैदा हुआ था। जिसको आजकल हम ऑस्ट्रिया बोलते हैं, मोरविया में। ही रिसीव्ड अर्ली एजुकेशन एट होम एंड इन ए preparatory school. He was a brilliant student and studied philosophy between the age of 18 to 21 years at the University of Olomouc in Moravia. इसकी बुनियादी तालीम जो थी, बड़ा अच्छा काबिल बच्चा था। 18 साल से 21 साल के बीच में उसने यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ओलोमिक इन मोरविया में पढ़ा, फिलासफी उसने पढ़ी। एंड आफ्टर ग्रेजुएटिंग एट द एज ऑफ 21 ही जॉइन्ड द Augustinian monastery of St. Thomas in Brno, now Brno in Czechoslovakia. On completion of training, Mendel was made priest in 1847 at the age of 25. He took teaching assignment as well as in 1849 at the age of 27. यानी बाद में ये पादरी बन गया 1847 में। उसकी उम्र उस वक्त 25 साल की थी। उसने बाद में एक काम उसको सौंप दिया गया 1849 में at the age of 27. Mendel was sent in 1851 to the University of Vienna for studying physics and botany. बाद में उसने 2 किताबों में अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे तालीम हासिल की, फिजिक्स और बॉटनी में। He returned in 1854 and was made besides a monk substitute science teacher. और बाद में उसको एक साइंस टीचर के रूप में भी मॉन्क के अलावा, पादरी के अलावा एक साइंस टीचर सब्स्टिट्यूट साइंस फॉर फिजिक्स एंड नेचुरल साइंस। In 1856, his attention was drawn to the regular occurrence of 2 different types of seeds in edible pea plant growing in his monastery. जहाँ पे ये एज मॉन्क था, उसके सामने एक बगीचा था, तो उस पर वहाँ से उसने तजुर्बे करना शुरू कर दी। उसका ख्याल 1856 में his attention was drawn to the regular occurrence of 2 different types of seeds. 2 मुख्तलिफ किस्म की सीड्स मटर के दाने से या मटर के प्लांट से उसने उसका अटेंशन वहाँ पे चला गया। He also performed his first experiment on hybridization. और पहला तजुर्बा उसने हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में 2 कैरेक्टर्स के मिलने पर किया। He continued his hybridization experiments for 7 years, 1856 से लेकर 1863 तक। Initially, Mendel collected 34 varieties of pea plants. पहले उसने 34 varieties of pea plants को कलेक्ट किया and allowed them to breed. फिर उनको ब्रीड किया आपस में for obtaining pure forms, ताकि उनसे कुछ अच्छी सी खासियत के कैरेक्टर्स हम हासिल कर सकें। In first instance, he selected 22 varieties, but later took only 7 varieties for his further experimentation. Each variety has 2 types of plants showing the different traits of the same character. Each variety had 2 types of plants showing different traits of same character. He maintained record for each crossing and selfing. उसने पहले क्रॉसिंग फिर सेल्फिंग इन्हीं प्लॉट्स पे तजुर्बे किए। सिंपलाइजिंग ऑफ नंबर or number of plants involved were as high as 10,000. Mendel also used statistical analysis and mathematical logic for the first time in biological calculations. बाद में उसने थोड़ा बहुत मैथ भी वहाँ अप्लाई किया ताकि biological calculation पे conclude करे. The results of these breeding experiments were present in two sittings of Natural History Society of Berlin in 1865. The same were published in 1866 in the fourth volume of Proceedings of Berlin Natural History Society under the title Experiments on Plant Hybridization. Mendel also showed the results of experiment to the Nageli, who asked to perform a similar experiment on the hawkweed. Due to the non-availability of pure lines, Mendel could not reproduce his results on the hawkweed. Meanwhile, in 1860, Mendel was made abbot of his monastery and became occupied with his postal duties. Mendel died in 1884 without getting credit for his work. It was 16 years later, after his death in 1900, that similar experiments were performed with similar results by three scientists independently. They were Theismarck Sesonigi of Austria, Cornus of Germany, and De Vries of Holland. De Vries also found out the original paper of Mendel and got it published in Flora 1901. Cornus converted the conclusion of Mendel into well-defined law of principles. So this was something about Mendel, who is called father of genetics, because we are dealing with the principle of inheritance and variation. This is one of the subtopics of this syllabus. इसके बाद जो हमें पढ़ना है वो है नॉन रिकॉग्नाइजेशन ऑफ मेंडल वर्क्स ड्यूरिंग हिज लाइफ टाइम, मेंडल्स एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. तो आगे जो हमारा लेक्चर होगा वो है मेंडल्स एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. Thanks for watching. In the next lecture, we will deal with the Mendel's experiment, in which there is selection, hybridization, self-pollination, calculation, etc. Thank you.